Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Prebell with William O'Neill India. My name is Rajashekhar Kongari, Equity Research Analyst, part of MarketSmith India team. A clear disclaimer is registration granted by SEBI, membership of BASL, and certification from NISF in no way guarantee performance of the intermediary or provide any assurance of returns to investors. Investments in securities market are market to subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing. Here is the Nifty's daily chart taken from our website, MarketSmith India. It's very important to understand the Nifty's price volume action to gauge the market, to understand what is the short-term momentum. Is it on the upside or downside, or is it on sideways? If you look at in a slightly longer term period, that is 2 to 3 months of time period, you can see Nifty has been in a very good upward channel line, and as the sessions progressed, you can see the width between the channel has also come down. That is, the trading range has become narrower as the days progressed. And if you look at in the slightly shorter time period, that is 2 weeks of period, you can see Nifty has consolidated in a sideways market. It has moved sideways. A couple of times it tried to break out from this channel, but it failed to break out. This is majorly because Nifty is at a very crucial level at the current moment. It is trading slightly 1% below its all-time high, that is 18,887 level. Most of the market participants will look at this level very crucially. Not only domestic investors, foreign institutional investors will also keep an eye about Nifty's current trading price. And when as soon as the Nifty makes a new all-time high, then the fresh funds are expected to come into the Indian market. In yesterday's stock darbar, we have discussed about some of the major sectoral indices. Nifty Bank is leading, Nifty FMCG is also leading, whereas Nifty IT is dragging the market. So when Nifty IT joins the rally, then definitely we are going to see Nifty rallying further higher. Talking about O'Neill's perspective, we are still in rally attempt. Even though we are in rally attempt, we have been adding stocks to our model portfolio, and most of our stocks are doing good in the current scenario. We don't want to miss out the ongoing rally just because of waiting for a follow-through session. Theoretically, we are waiting for a follow-through session, but we have experience and backup data, so we used advanced analysis to take up fresh positions in the market. Also, you can see moving averages front, Nifty has a very good support at its 21 DMA, which is a green line here. In the for the short-term period, that is for the next couple of weeks, this 21 DMA is going to be a crucial level for the Nifty. If that level is breached, then we might see Nifty testing its DMA as well. But going by the macroeconomic indicators, downside risks are very less when compared to upside. Some of the stocks which are in news and which will be under radar in the today's trading session are RK Forgings and TitagarhRail Systems formed a consortium, and this consortium has won a contract to supply forged wheels to the Indian Railways for a contract value of nearly more than 12,000 crores of rupees. This contract is spread across 20 years. Wipro, a leading IT company in India, has opened a new 5G DeFi Innovation Center in Texas. A positive news for the company. And IKIO Lightening has come up with their IPO, and this is going to debut on exchanges today. It was subscribed very good, both retail and HNI portion. BHL formed an MOU, that is memorandum of understanding, with Volvo Eicher commercial vehicles. This is for a joint project for development and deployment of Type 4 cylinders, that is hydrogen or CNG, in a commercial vehicle segment. Again, a positive sign for the BHL company. Talking about yesterday's European Central Bank rate hike, they have increased rate hike by 25 bps to 4%. overall, we have been seeing rate hikes across the globe, starting from India, Europe, and US as well. In the recent US Fed meeting, they have stopped hiking interest rates, but they have hinted that a couple of more rate hikes might happen in the next upcoming meets. This is majorly because of elevated inflation levels. Once inflation comes down, then definitely central banks will also decrease the interest rates. Talking about institutional activity, yesterday, foreign institutional investors heavily invested into the market. They have bought net basis more than 3,000 crores of Indian equities, whereas the domestic institutional investors have sold only nearly 300 crores of Indian equities. If you're looking for a global cues from the US market, especially, uh, US market closed in the higher territory, almost closing 1.2% higher. The major indices which we track are Dow Jones, S&P, Nasdaq have closed nearly 1.2% higher. Asian markets are trading mixed. You can see Shanghai and Kospi are trading in the higher territory, whereas Nikkei is trading in the negative territory. So if you are looking for global cues, most of the cues are on the positive side. A good sign for Indian markets also. We can expect a higher opening, taking cues from US markets. SGX Nifty is also telling us the same. Nifty is expected to open around 18,800 level. A very positive sign. If that level is sustained and if the following up buying happens, 100-point higher opening will definitely take the Nifty to scale new all-time highs. A positive sign, and it is going to be rejoiced by most of the investors across the globe. At the chart of the day, we picked power that is LNT Foods, LT Foods. The stock has been forming a long cup base pattern. What we liked about this stock is ratings wise, it is looking very strong. You can see EPS of 97. That is predominantly because of consistent growth in the sales and EPS as well. Price strength is also doing good. The right side of the base pattern stock has moved tremendously higher with good volumes as well. That is the reason RS rating is at 81 and A by D rating, that is accumulation distribution day rating, is at A plus, which is the highest in the category. That is majorly because you can see the blue bars in the volume section, or most of them are above average, and there are only a couple of red bars which are above average. The stock is has broken out yesterday, but on the closing basis, it closed below pivot. The today's session, if the stock opens in the blue zone, that is the ideal buy range, then definitely we can consider for addition, looking at other factors as well. So please be watchful for our notifications. If you have this stock in your portfolio, you can continue to hold it and keep stop loss dependent on your buy price. Thanks for joining today's pre-bell. Have a good trading session.